Hello and welcome, my name is Jacob, this is TradeHappy, a platform for traders around the world to be happy and consistently profitable. We're going to be doing some market analysis today, going to be going over GBPUSD, USDJPY and AUDCAD. We're only going to be going over those three pairs, but we are going to be doing some quite in-depth analysis, I should say, in terms of we're going to be going from the monthly chart all the way down straight to the 5-minute chart. And I'm recording this on the weekend, putting this up on Monday, and if I do take any trades on that Monday, I will be posting those into the Discord group. If you're not in there, make sure you join. Any trades I do take, I will be posting in there. And yeah, we've had some really good trades in the last week. Especially in this month, so hopefully we can keep that going. But let's start the analysis on GBPUSD. So obviously we're kind of coming up to that stage where we're halfway through the month, and we've had quite a good move currently in June, but there is a level that I am looking at for June to hit. So over the next week or 2 weeks, I'm pretty much looking at the market to come up to this high here of this candle in June. So hopefully the July candle can push up and tag here. And that'll be a really good indication that we're going to keep going and possibly push for these highs or these highs in here. So that's the kind of bias that I have for July and the rest of this month. But once we go into the lower time frames, I can show you all the different analysis, but let's just go on to USDJPY and do the same on here. Obviously USDJPY, just having a look at the monthly, you've got a lot of wicks. Especially recently, you've got a lot of wicks. So that's something I don't really like to see, but it's something that does happen on USDJPY recently. But saying that, we are in a little bit of a wedge. Now I don't really trade wedges, so if you do and I'm doing this completely wrong, don't have a go at me, because I don't trade it. But as you can see, the market is trading down. We do have a little bit of a... okay, not sure what that was. We do have a little bit of a level here that the market could bounce from. So, for me anyway, this month that we are in right now, I'm looking to take out these lows. This little swing low in here. And I would just mark that on the chart. And I'll just get rid of that so we don't get confused. So that's the low that I'm targeting on USDJPY. And again, once we do all of this, I'll go back onto GU and we can do some more analysis on that. But in terms of AUDCAD, we seem to be in quite a bit of consolidation really. I mean, there's no real trend going on for years and years and years and years. But recently we have a little push up, and we're currently coming up into a little bit of a possible order block. So yeah, I would probably be looking for a short on this, and we are at that 70% level. So what I am going to do is just reduce this box to make it like this. So it's the body of this candle here. So this could be a really nice area to get in short. Obviously we've got these bodies in here, and we're currently at that level again. So this is looking like a really nice area on the monthly, remember, to get in short. Now, the market could, in August, do something like this. This still doesn't mean that this is a bad area to go short, because the next month could do this, and then obviously trading lower and lower the next following months. So that's something that could happen on AUD/CAD for this month and the following months. So I'm just going to keep that onto the chart so that we can kind of have a little bit of perspective when we go back onto the weekly and then daily. So now we're going to go on to GBPUSD or GU and just go onto the weekly chart. So this is the high that I was having a look at. And we've had a nice push on the weekly chart. So for the next week, I'm probably expecting price to come down here, possibly. So I'll be looking for a buy in this area here. And I'll just mark that out with a little green box, so it's a bit easier to see. So yeah, I'll be looking to buy in here to then take the market higher to hit these highs up here. Of course, if I do get a trade, I'll post it into the chat. But that's what I'm looking at on GU. Again, this is the zone that I'm targeting, but we don't want to be entering the market straight away. Here, I'm probably going to be looking for a short in here. Come on. So if price comes up to this level, taking a short. Yeah, we're slowly starting to get down to levels where we can actually trade. On AUD/CAD, I'm just gonna wait 1 or 2 weeks, see what happens on AUD/CAD, see if we break through this level, see if we skyrocket through it or plummet down. Just not really going to be doing too much on this until we get some confirmation on the weekly to what is going to be taking place on AUD/CAD. So now we're down to 2 pairs for the next week. Drop down to the daily and we can start to really hone in on this little area. Just delete these. Didn't mean to delete that. There we go. Okay. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at the bodies, I'm looking at the wicks. And for me, this is a really nice area on the daily that I could be looking at to take a buy. The next level is going to be in here. And yeah, that's about it really. So anywhere in this area, obviously we're going to be doing it on the 5 minute, and we are going to be doing it live, so there's not too much more that we can do on this. Obviously I will be going into depth on the 4 hour and the 5 minute to get a zone where I would be taking a trade, but I'm not going to actually be placing any trades until we actually have a look at the market and see what's going on. But again, USDJPY, looking to buy in here. You could just sell when the market opens, because we are quite close to that price anyway. So you could target somewhere higher up into that zone, but yeah, I don't really want to be doing that on USDJPY, again just because of the wicks. So I would be targeting somewhere up here instead of this blue zone. So just drop down a little bit. See if we can find anything here. No, that's looking pretty good. So these are the zones that I'm targeting on GU. If I do take a trade next week, I'll be posting it into the Discord group. Remember to join that, the links are in the description. if you do enjoy the analysis videos, comment below, let me know what you think I could improve. If you want to see any charts, possibly put those below as well. I don't usually do this kind of analysis. I have done them in the past, but recently I haven't done too many of them, just because it's not something that I think is a lot of value, unless you're looking for a quick entry or signals. But again, I suppose some people might want to learn from this, I don't know. But comment below, let me know. I do post all the analysis that I do anyway in the Discord group. But yeah, if you do enjoy the video, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.